If you're involved in the consular processing of your green card overseas, you need to listen to this video because there's a lot of nuance with green card processing overseas. And I wanted to bring this to your attention right now because this has come up recently for a bunch of clients, okay? Clients are asked to provide police clearance letters. That's common. That's normal. So a lot of people say, well, I haven't lived there in so long. You know, I've been in the United States for years. I'm just going down for my interview. I don't need to include that, right? I don't need to get them. Wrong, okay? Absolutely, it's a requirement that does not go away. People think that because they have the luxury of being out of their country for years, that they don't have to do it. Well, guess what? You do. Don't fight it, get it. I had a client one time, no kidding, had to get 7 police clearance letters from 7 different countries. Crazy lifestyle, but guess what? That is the reality. So don't argue with your attorney. Don't argue with the government over whether you should or shouldn't have to get these police clearance letters because it's an absolute necessity. They will not waive that requirement. So just plan on getting it for any country you lived for more than 6 months after you turn 16. So 16 years or older, you live in a country for over 6 months, you are required to get police clearance letters. Why? Because the government wants to make sure that you didn't stab somebody in a different country and you're not wanted for some serious crime. Immigration is never going to approve somebody to have legal permanent residency inside the United States if they don't think they can trust that that person is safe, right? So just know that you got to get it and think ahead, plan for whatever period of time that you have been in other countries. You probably will have to, go to that country. I don't know, maybe not. It depends on what the country is allowing you to do remotely. If you're in Europe, it's not as big of a deal. If you're in Asia, maybe it's a bigger deal. But just know that it is a requirement that they do not waive ever. So plan ahead so that you can make sure you meet this requirement and just accept the reality of it, okay? If you have questions about this, about consular processing or anything related to immigration, especially green cards, click the following link and reach me directly.